Oh, Mr. Postman, have you got our letter? George is just the coolest guy, he's such a wild jet setter.
Oh, Mr. Postman, any news? My little brother's such a daredevil. I really hope he writes to us soon. Spills the beans on what he's been up to.
But are we sure it's all completely true?
Of course it is.
I think I hear the postman coming now.
I'm not answering it.
I'm not answering it either. It could be the milkman again.
Well, I'm not answering it. I can't work door handles with my paws.
I'll answer it. Good morning, Mr. Postman.
Good morning, Maddie. Just a few bills for your mum and dad today, I'm afraid. No letter from Uncle George.
Aww. That's okay. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, just one more thing. There is this rather large, oversized package.
Oh, Maddie, what's in that enormous box? It's huge.
I hope it's not more yogurt.
Shush! Listen!
Hello. Anybody expecting a package?
I think I know what's in that box. Let's open it, Triggs.
How diddly do, folks?
Uncle George! You didn't just post a letter.
You posted yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Postman.
You're very welcome, Maddie.
George, this is such a surprise.
Oh, it's been way too long, sis. It's good to be back.
Well, come inside and sit down. We'll make some tea.
And then you can tell us all about your latest adventures.
Uncle George, I knew it was you and I listened closely.
Oh, Maddie, sure isn't it amazing all the things you hear if you just take time to listen?
And in goes the egg.
Careful, Maddie.
Mr. S, I didn't realise baking was so serious.
Sorry, Triggs. I just don't want to get the recipe wrong.
But we don't have the recipe, so we need to make it up, right?
I guess.
2 more eggs it is then.
3 eggs? That's not what Granny's recipe says.
I think it's our recipe now, Dad. And it feels nice and squelchy to me. Squelch, squelch, squelch.
What's happening?
You know what would really set it off? Some jelly snakes and fizzy cola bottles.
Ooh, good idea, Maddie.
It's squelchy and crunchy and gooey and wibbly wobbly.
This is the most fun we've had baking in ages, Maddie. Woof, woof. What do you think, Mr. S?
Well, it's certainly nothing like Granny's recipe, but it does smell kind of nice. And it looks completely bonkers.
Bonkers cake!
You know, maybe you're right, Maddie. Maybe Granny will like it. That's Granny now. Hiya, Granny.
Just charging up the old vehicle before I go. Are you making my cake exactly like the recipe says?
Tell her everything's under control. We've totally got this.
Granny!
Oh, well, if it isn't my favourite... What's that? Is that Granny's tasty cake I smell?
Yep, absolutely.
Smells a bit different. Hints of cinnamon, honey. Is that peanut butter?
I think she's on to us, Triggs.
Here, Granny, have a slice.
Interesting. Crunchy on the first bite. Wibble wobble on the second. Just the right amount of gooey. And thankfully, no sign of a soggy bottom. A brave new creation. Executed perfectly. 10 out of 10.
But Granny, I thought you'd be upset that we didn't follow your recipe.
Sure, isn't it great to try new things? You take an old classic, you do something new with it, and you make a new classic. Bonkers cake. I love it.
Well, the credit goes to Maddie on that front. She's the one who said, let's take a chance.
Sure, there you go now. Isn't it amazing all the things you learn when you just take the time to listen?
Ah, yes. This place takes me back. I'm going to show you how it's done. I was quite some bowler in my youth.
Careful, Mr. S. That ball looks heavy.
Ow! I dropped the ball on my toe. Ow, ow, ow.
So, do you hop when you bowl then, Dad?
You are such a good hopper, Mr. S.
Why don't you sit over here and clean your bowling ball? I'll get some drinks.
Can I have a go now, Dad?
Sure, Maddie. Find a ball you like that's not too heavy.
Okay, Dad, here I go.
Go, Maddie.
It's still rolling, Dad.
You knocked 4 skittles.
Great start, Maddie.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well done.
Right, everyone. I'm feeling the power and I'm ready to roll.
Why is he doing those funny stretches?
He's getting ready to roll. It's very serious.
Right, here I go. Oh no, I've thrown it all wrong.
Oh, look, Mr. S. You completely missed the pins.
I think that's called a gutter ball.
Okay, that's the warm-up out of the way.
Here go, Mum.
Oh, it's been years since I've bowled.
Go on, Mrs. S.
Okay, but I'm not very good.
Just take it nice and slow. Easy does it. Stay loose. And...
Okay, here I go. Come on, ball. Left a bit, right a bit. I knocked 6 skittles over. 6!
Go, Mum.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you forgot to let go of the ball.
why me?
I think you've lost the magic, love.
I think I have.
Aw, we can help you, Dad.
Yes, help you get the magic back.
Block out the clatter of the skittles,
And slurping of the straws.
the squeak of the ball polish.
And Maddie's cheering.
Hurrah! When the noise gets too much and it's hard to begin, just concentrate and you'll be ready to roll again. Block out the clatter of the bowlers,
And the rolling bowling ball.
ignore all the louder fanfare.
And the skittles as they fall.
When the noise gets too much and it's hard to begin, just concentrate and you'll be ready to roll again.
When things get too exciting, it's hard to concentrate. Just take some time to focus and you'll be in the zone. And you'll do great. You'll do great.
Block out the clatter of the skittles,
And the slurping of the straws.
the squeak of the ball polish.
And Maddie's cheering.
Hurrah! When the noise gets too much and it's hard to begin, just concentrate and you'll be ready to roll again. Ready to roll again.
Okay, I am ready to roll again.
Come on, Dad.
You'll do great, Mr. S.
Please hit something.
Strike! You got a strike!
You've got your magic back, Mr. S.
Thanks for your help, guys. It's amazing what you can achieve when you take the time to listen.
Maddie,
Yes, Triggs.
where's my teddy?
I don't know, Triggs. Also, I should probably clean my teeth now. But where did I leave my toothbrush?
I'll help you find Teddy, Triggs. And your toothbrush, Maddie. I'll just look under the... Ow! Oh! A wooden building block? What's that doing there? Actually, everything is all over the place. This house is a mess. And... your mum and dad are going to be home soon. We have to tidy up.
Quick, put the pillows back, toys and blankets too. This is the best night ever, best night ever. Hang the picture on the wall, dishes still need cleaning too. This is the best night ever, best night ever. I have to brush my teeth. real tired, time for bed. There's my book and my pajamas.
Come on, sleepyhead.
Thanks, Uncle George. That was the best night ever.
Well, everything we did was your idea, and we did a good job of tidying up. It's amazing what you can do when you really take the time to listen. Night, night, Maddie.